Yep. All right. Piston removal. It's supposed to come out. You come over here. The cap is off. Give it a few. This is a big donkey too. It's not moving. Still, you can look at it. It's still on the crank. We got movement a little bit, but it's still on the crank. So just keep the camera right there. We're gonna put the big dog. We're gonna put the big dog right in there. Oh yeah, get that fucking video in there, son. Get in there. Get deep in there. Oh yeah. Oh, well, you'll see. Well, it's moving. Oh my god.
A little bit more.
Right on the pin. Get that video. Get deep in there, son. Don't be afraid.
Oh yeah.
There it is. Oh. 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 Oh.
A little bit more.
A little bit more. Oh my god.
It's not moving.
Oh. We're gonna get in there. We're gonna get in there. God damn.
Just take it apart.
Get that video right underneath here, son. Like right there to see piston movement.
Oh yeah.
You got that good angle?
Oh yeah. It's almost there.
There we go. Oh!
Finish it.
Oh my god. Is it almost up?
Yeah.
Oh my what the fuck?
Got a little bit more.
A little bit more. Holy hell. Yeah, you should watch.
Holy hell.
I got hot. All right. Dude, this thing is. You got some symmetry.
All right, take her up.
Wow. Oh, look at that.
It's almost out.
Don't want to get too excited. Gotta go the correct way. Like crank and pull it up. Yeah, just stop. You can just start.
Oh, that piston. That's a little bit more.
This is so.
This has been the proper way to remove pistons with the lupe.
Don't mention my name in this video.